Nike Pegasus Premium running is mental highlights how performance goes beyond the physical, bringing Nike's mental wellness message to one of its top running models for spring 2026. This special edition blends lifestyle polish with true running tech, featuring layered white and cream textiles, engineered mesh, and supportive overlays for a calm, wellness-inspired look. Underfoot, the full-length Air unit and sculpted heel create smoother transitions and added impact protection, giving runners a softer, more stable ride than the standard Pegasus. What sets this release apart is the insole, a heat-mapped foot graphic on bright blue foam stamped with "running is mental," emphasizing the mind-body connection for endurance athletes. Nike even includes a metallic incense holder accessory, reinforcing the theme of balance and recovery. With its clean palette, upgraded cushioning, and strong narrative, the Pegasus Premium stands out as a must-watch release for runners and sneaker fans. Expect official pairs to arrive soon on Nike.com.